quick video on the Audi Q2. So it's got glass in the boot from a rear windscreen replacement. So you can hear it in the boot area. Right, okay. So we've now got the inside of the boot tailgate off, and as you can see, if I just put my finger up in here, there is a lot of glass stuck in the bottom of the tailgate, and this is the plastic down here, so we can see that obviously all the little glass flakes. So that's obviously what's causing the noise, and we've also got glass in where the tailgate shuts as well. So we're going to clean all of that out and then put it all back together, and then it should stop obviously shaking about. Okay, so now all the glass has been cleaned out, so we've got no signs of any glass in any of the plastics, which is good. Coming around to the boot area now, so we're just going to open it up. So there's no jingling and rattling around now, which is good. So it's all been cleaned out inside. Our colleagues towelled up all the boot area so it doesn't get any glass in there as well. So we're just about to rebuild it back in now. But it doesn't sound like there's any loose glass in there. So there we go.
Okay, so just a quick update for you on your car. It's had a quick jet off, so we've got rid of all those leaves that were stuck all over the car for you. Coming around to the boot, if we open it up, there we go. So no more rattle or anything like that. All the trim's been put back on, taking all the towels out of the boot and everything like that. So lovely. So that is all done and ready to collect.
Amazing.